Hello and welcome to Serbia. Whether you're arriving for the first time or returning to familiar streets, there's an unmistakable energy in the air. Serbia is a land where the past and present blend seamlessly, and every street corner has a story to tell. This is a country where history whispers from every corner, from the grand facades of Belgrade to the charming lanes of Novi Sad. The architecture, the language on the signs, and the rhythm of daily life all speak to a rich heritage shaped by centuries of change. And yet, what truly sets Serbia apart is its people. Here, hospitality isn't just a tradition, it's a way of life. Locals greet you with open hearts and genuine smiles, eager to share their culture and stories. To truly understand Serbia, you have to taste it. The flavors of this country are as bold and welcoming as its people, and every bite tells a story of tradition, family, and celebration. Food here is more than just a meal, it's a way to connect and celebrate. Sharing a table, even with strangers, is a cherished ritual that brings people together and turns every meal into a joyful occasion. The real soul of Serbian food isn't found in fancy restaurants. It lives on the streets, in the bustling markets, and lively food stalls that line the city's avenues and squares. Street food is a vibrant, delicious part of daily life, from quick breakfasts on the go to late-night snacks after an evening out. It's a tradition that brings people together at all hours, fueling conversations and friendships. Every stall has a story, offering a taste of authentic Serbian life that's both affordable and satisfying. Vendors take pride in their recipes, many of which have been passed down through generations, and each dish is made with care and passion. Imagine walking through a Serbian city, the air filled with the smoky smell of grilled meat and baking pastries, the sizzle of the grill, the laughter of people gathered around, and the sight of golden pastries fresh from the oven create an atmosphere that's impossible to resist. Street food here is a feast for all your senses, a food adventure that connects you to the culture. The colors, aromas, and flavors invite you to explore, to taste, and to discover something new with every bite. So join me as we explore this incredible world. We'll discover beloved dishes, learn how they're made, and meet the passionate people behind the food. Each stop is a chance to experience the warmth and creativity of Serbian street cuisine. We'll find the best spots to try them, from hidden gems known only to locals, to bustling markets where everyone gathers. From savory grilled meats to sweet pastries, there's something here for every palate. Serbia's streets are a treasure trove of delights waiting to be explored. Every visit is a new adventure, and every meal is a memory in the making. Let's get started on this delicious adventure together. Get ready to savor the flavors, meet the people, and experience the true heart of Serbia, one bite at a time. Our first stop is the iconic pljeskavica, Serbia's answer to the hamburger but with a twist. Made from a mix of ground beef, pork, and sometimes lamb, it's seasoned simply and grilled over hot coals for that amazing smoky char. You'll find pljeskavica stalls, or rostilj, everywhere, with grill masters expertly flipping patties. It's served in a warm, fluffy flatbread called lepinja, perfect for soaking up the juices. The best part? Customizing with toppings like spicy cheese spread, ajvar, onions, and cabbage salad. Whether in Belgrade or a small town, you're never far from a great pljeskavica. It's the go-to meal for any time of day. Filling, satisfying, and full of Serbian spirit. Enjoy it on the go, standing on a street corner, savoring every bite. Pljeskavica isn't just street food, it's a national treasure. Next up, ćevapi, small finger-shaped sausages that are a Balkan favorite. Made from minced beef and pork, seasoned and grilled over charcoal, they're juicy and packed with flavor, served in warm lepinja bread, often with chopped onions and a dollop of creamy kajmak. The smoky smell from a ćevapi grill is impossible to resist, drawing hungry crowds. Ćevapi are a social food, perfect for sharing with friends. You'll find them everywhere, especially in historic city quarters. Every local has their favorite ćevapzinika, and every visitor should try a portion. Simple, delicious, and deeply traditional, ćevapi capture the essence of Balkan cooking. Don't miss this must-try Serbian street food. Now let's step into the world of the Serbian bakery for burek. Burek is a flaky layered pastry filled with meat, cheese, spinach, or potatoes, perfect for breakfast or any time. The dough is stretched super thin, layered and filled before being baked to golden perfection. The most popular versions are with minced meat or salty cheese, but sweet options exist too. Burek is baked in large pans and cut into wedges, best enjoyed warm with a glass of yogurt. Making burek is an art, with bakers mastering the delicate dough over years. Bakeries selling fresh burek are everywhere, open from early morning to late at night. It's a hearty, satisfying routine for many Serbians. Heavy, delicious and comforting, burek is a true taste of the Balkans. One bite, and you'll understand why it's so loved. Time for something sweet. Krofna, the beloved Serbian donut, and palacinka, the country's irresistible take on crepes. These two treats are staples of Serbian street food culture, enjoyed by people of all ages at any time of day. Krofna are Serbia's take on donuts, soft pillowy rounds of fried dough, often filled with sweet jam, silky custard, or even chocolate, and generously dusted with powdered sugar. They're a nostalgic treat, found in bakeries and street stalls, best enjoyed warm and fresh, when the filling is still gooey, and the dough is perfectly tender. For many Serbians, krofne evoke memories of childhood, family gatherings, and festive occasions. Then there's palacinka, thin, delicate pancakes made to order at street stalls, where the aroma of batter sizzling on a hot plate fills the air. Fillings range from Nutella and jam to walnuts, honey, crushed biscuits, or even a combination of all these, creating endless possibilities for flavor. Some are topped with fresh fruit and cream, making them as beautiful as they are delicious. Once filled, they're folded or rolled, perfect for eating on the go, whether you're wandering through a market or heading home after a night out. Palacinka are a favorite dessert or late-night snack, especially among young people who gather at street stalls to share a sweet bite and good conversation. Watching them made is part of the fun, as vendors expertly flip and fill each one, often customizing them to your exact taste. Whether you prefer a simple jam palacinka, a rich chocolate-filled one, or something with nuts and fruit, there's something for every sweet tooth. Krofne and palacinka show the softer, sweeter side of Serbian street food, offering comfort and joy in every bite. Don't leave Serbia without trying both. These treats are a delicious window into the country's culture and its love for all things sweet. Belgrade is the heart of Serbia's street food scene. Dive into local flavors at green markets like Kalenik, where fresh produce, cheeses and street food abound. Legendary food stalls line Republic Square and Knez Mihailova Street, selling everything from pljeskavica to pizza. Loki is a cult favorite for late-night grilled meats. The artsy Skadarlia district offers both traditional restaurants and quick bites like burek and grilled corn. New Belgrade's modern spots serve Serbian classics to crowds of students and workers. From historic centers to modern suburbs, Belgrade is a non-stop street food adventure. Every corner promises a new, delicious discovery. Next, we head north to Novi Sad, the relaxed capital of Vojvodina. The city center buzzes with cafes, bakeries, and street food windows. Don't miss the legendary index sandwich, warm bread stuffed with ham, cheese, mushrooms, and sauces. Novi Sad's green markets, like Futoška Pihaka, are perfect for sampling local honey, wine, kajmak, and ajvar. Grab a quick bite from a bakery or market stall, then relax in Danube Park with your treat. Novi Sad's street food scene is less crazy, but just as passionate as Belgrade's. From unique sandwiches to classic pastries, the city invites you to slow down and savor every bite. Enjoy the simple pleasures of good food in a beautiful setting. Serbian street food is rooted in being welcoming and friendly. The moment you step up to a food stall, you're greeted with a smile and a sense of belonging, as if you're already part of the community. Food here isn't just about eating, it's about connecting with others and feeling at home no matter where you're from. Sharing a meal is a way to show friendship, whether at home or on the street. In Serbia, food brings people together, turning strangers into friends and friends into family. Gathering around a table, even a makeshift one on the sidewalk, is a cherished tradition that's passed down through generations. When you buy from a vendor, you're treated as a guest, greeted with warmth and pride. Vendors often share stories about their recipes or offer a taste of something new, making every visit feel personal and memorable. The spirit of meze, sharing a variety of small bites, lives on in the way people enjoy street food together. Plates are passed around, everyone samples a bit of everything, and laughter fills the air. It's a celebration of abundance and togetherness. Ajvar, the beloved red pepper relish, is a common topping, made in huge batches every autumn. Families gather to roast peppers and prepare ajvar, turning it into a festive event that marks the changing seasons and brings neighbors together. Sauces and toppings are key. Everyone has their favorite combination of sauces and salads. From spicy ernebes to tangy pickled vegetables, these extras let you personalize every bite, making each meal unique to your taste. Timing matters. Burek for breakfast, hot and flaky from the oven, is a morning ritual for many Serbians, often enjoyed with a glass of yogurt or strong coffee. Grilled meats like ćevapi or pljeskavica are perfect for lunch or a late-night snack, while sweet palacinka, thin pancakes, make for a delightful dessert filled with chocolate, jam, or nuts. This daily rhythm connects people to tradition and each other. From sunrise to midnight, street food is a constant presence, bringing together people of all ages and backgrounds. Serbian street food is more than a meal, it's a shared experience. It's about laughter, stories, and the simple joy of eating together in the open air. The flavors, the traditions, and the hospitality make it unforgettable. Every meal is a reminder of the warmth and generosity that define Serbian culture. Every bite tells a story of culture and connection. It's a living tradition, evolving with each generation, but always rooted in the same values. It's a delicious clock that keeps the country ticking, marking the hours with flavor, friendship, and the spirit of togetherness that makes Serbian food truly special. What makes Serbian street food unforgettable? It's the quality, the tradition, and the heart. Fresh, flavorful meat and simple seasonings let the ingredients shine. Serbian cooking blends Central European, Mediterranean, and Middle Eastern influences into something unique. Burek's Ottoman roots and the love for grilled meats create a rich mix of flavors. Generosity is key. Portions are hearty, showing the country's warm hospitality. This is food that fills you up and makes you feel welcome. I hope this journey has inspired you to explore Serbia's streets and taste its incredible food. Talk to the vendors, try everything, and let the flavors tell their story. A trip to Serbia is a food adventure you'll never forget. Prijatno, enjoy your meal, enjoy your